So today we're going to be walking you guys through our Siesta Key model here in Port Charlotte that we can build on your lot, whether it's Northport, Port Charlotte, Sarasota, Manatee County, Sarasota County, Charlotte County. We can build this house on the water, on an infill lot, pretty much wherever you own land. And I want to walk you guys through this because this is one of our more popular models here. It's 2478 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 baths with a very spacious 3-car garage. And I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys because we got a lot of people reaching out to us wanting to build this one and the other one where we actually can add a 2nd-story bonus room, which brings it up to over 3,200 square feet. So if you guys want these plans or any of the other plans, this house right behind me starts at $397,000, including impact fees, permit fees, labor, materials, everything, and your standard site development. Now that's going to vary depending on property to property, but that is roughly our starting price for this house. So with all that being said, if you guys want any of this information on this floor plan or other floor plans, you guys can reach out to us with our contact information down below. But with all that being said, let's flip this camera around and walk you through our Siesta Key model.
All right, so starting from the exterior of the house, what I love about this elevation is going to be the stone veneer right at the front. You have this 3-car garage with the hardy board gables, which is a fan favorite. And what I like here is that you have kind of like this covered front porch. So an upgrade that you can do in this house is do a solid glass front door instead of this fiberglass door. So right when you walk into the house, you have open sight lines to the living room. And then off to this right-hand side over here, we are going to have a nice size bedroom and then also a bathroom right behind me. All these windows here are impact. You have 5.5-inch baseboards. You have these 8-foot tall doors. This is standard for us, is to do 8-foot tall in this model specifically. Here we are going to have the tile floor, quartz countertops, which is standard, and then tub to ceiling tile as well. What I like is you can choose from different finishes, different accents, different light fixtures, different tile, different flooring. This person chose LVP flooring throughout. We're doing another build in Northport that is going to do this more luxury style 9-inch by 48-inch tile. So it's really versatile of what you really want to do. So obviously this house needs a little bit of cleaning after everyone walked through it. But as you can see here, we have the living room that then connects to the kitchen. Lots of kitchen space here. A lot of people love it because of all the extra cabinet space. Quartz countertops. I mean, the cabinet wall just continues going. And then we have the backsplash that is also the square 6 or 3-inch by 6-inch tiles, which you can choose in multiple colors or a different kind of tile. And then over here, we are going to go back into the guest bathroom and bedroom. So what I like about this is that it's kind of like a Jack and Jill style, is you have a bedroom here, you have a bathroom right over here with a tub and shower combo. Once again, the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling, quartz countertops. You got the black faucets, dual sink vanity, which is huge. And then we're going to go over here. Both of these bedrooms do connect to that bathroom. Now this one walk-in closet over here, after we show you a little bit more of the bathroom, that one is actually a walk-in closet, which I think is really nice because a lot of people, you know, have reach-in closets, don't have enough space, but this walk-in closet is going to be absolutely perfect. So here in the bathroom, obviously you guys saw plenty of space for several kiddos to get ready in the morning for school. And then here is the walk-in closet, the wire racks. If you want custom closets, we can do that as well as an upgrade. And now let's go back into the main living area. So off to the left was going to be the dining area. Here is going to be the living room. Now we're going to go into the laundry room and to show you a little bit more about the 3-car garage. So here's obviously the pantry right around the corner. So it kind of hides it from you and your guests. This is going to be the laundry room. And then right over here is going to be the 3-car garage. Now this was built in a flood zone, so we did have to raise up this house a little bit higher. So that is why this house or the garage sits up a little bit lower than the house compared to, let's just say if you were in Northport, not in a flood zone, you don't have to worry about those flood vents. So all these ceilings here throughout are going to be the standard 9'4" ceilings, which is super nice, no 8-foot ceilings, and you can upgrade to a 10-foot, 11-foot, 12-foot ceiling, whatever you want. Here in the primary suite, we are going to have the coffered ceilings. Once again, very spacious primary suite. This barn door is an upgrade, but it just really elevates the overall room. Personally, I think it adds a nice touch. Then we have the frameless glass walk-in shower here. Once again, tile goes all the way from floor to ceiling, which is nice. And then we have this very large vanity. So you have a makeup vanity in the middle. You have 2 sinks off to the side, Quartz countertops, a massive walk-in closet, plenty of space for your clothes. Personally, I would add a custom closet, but that is just me and everyone has their own personal opinions. So now let's go back out here and now let's go and check out the outdoor area. And once again, we are going to be heading back through the living room, which once again, I just think has so much potential for entertaining friends, family, and guests. And then we're going to go out to the outdoor lanai here, which we are under a covered outdoor lanai, which is beautiful. You have plenty of space for patio furniture, but then if you want to build a pool, it's absolutely perfect because the lanai sits in the middle. You can easily build a pool out here and then extend your outdoor living to create this amazing outdoor oasis. As you can see, this house does not sit far back in the lot, so it's perfect to add any size pool or whatever you would like.
So now that you guys finished up walking through our Siesta Key model here, the 2,500 square feet really expands across the whole entire single floor. You get a large living area, large entertaining area, kitchen, dedicated dining area, and the bedrooms are very spacious in size. So now I want to get your guys' opinion on what are your thoughts on this house, as we can build this house on your lot anywhere from $397,000 to $400,000 on your lot here in Northport, Port Charlotte, Sarasota, Nokomis, really anywhere that you guys want to build here in Southwest Florida. Our team is most certainly happy to build this model for you guys. So if you guys are interested in building this model or one of the other models that we have, you guys can reach out to us with our contact information down below. But with all that being said, we appreciate you checking out this video and we'll catch you guys next week.